Fund Honey. It's choreographed by Jason Laporte. It is a 32 count, 4-wall, high beginner level line dance with restarts on walls 2 and 6 after 16 counts, a tag on the end of wall 4, and a tag restart on wall 10 after 16 counts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about the tags and restarts, and then go around and dance 11 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Trust Fund Honey. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to do a Lindy to the right. We're going to start by chassing to the right, stepping our right foot side, left together, right side. You're now going to rock your left foot back, recover onto your right, and we're going to do a grapevine quarter turn with a brush, stepping your left foot to the side, cross your right behind your left. Make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot to face 9 o'clock, and brush the ball of your right foot on the floor. Let's try that with some counts. Lindy to the right. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, we're going to do right and left toe struts forward. You're going to take your right toe, touch it forward, drop your right heel, taking weight onto your right foot. You're going to touch your left toe forward, drop your left heel, taking weight onto your left foot. We're now going to do a jazz box quarter turn, crossing your right over your left, step back with your left, make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping your right foot slightly forward and to the side, and then cross your left over your right. You're now facing 12 o'clock. Let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left foot. You're doing your toe struts with the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, we're going to do a syncopated grapevine to the right. You're going to step your right foot to the right side, cross your left behind your right. You're now going to quickly step your right foot to the right side and cross your left over your right and step your right foot to the right side. We're now going to rock forward with our left foot, recover onto our right, and you're going to do a left coaster step, stepping your left foot back, right together, left forward. Let's try that with some counts. We would have ended section 2 with our left crossed over our right facing 12 o'clock. You're doing that syncopated vine to the right. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 4, in our final section of the dance, we're going to do a right rocking chair. You're going to rock your right foot forward, recover back onto your left, rock your right foot back, recover forward onto your left. We're now going to do a jazz box quarter turn, cross your right over your left, step back with your left, make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping your right foot forward and slightly to the side, and then cross your left over your right, facing 3 o'clock, ready to start the dance over again. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left. You're doing your rocking chair. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it one time through with steps, one time through with counts. Weight is on your left foot. You're starting with your Lindy. Lindy to the right, rock back, recover, grapevine quarter turn with a brush, right toe, strut, left toe, strut, jazz box quarter turn with a cross, side, behind, ball, cross, side, rock forward, recover, coaster step, rocking chair, jazz box quarter turn with a cross, and that is the whole dance. So now let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left. You're doing your Lindy to the right. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole thing. So now let's talk about the tags and the restarts. Our first tag is going to happen on wall 2. You will dance the first 16 counts of the dance. So you'll be facing 3 o'clock. You're going to dance up to your jazz box quarter turn. So we're going to start by Lindying to the right. We're going to do our chasse, rock back, recover, grapevine quarter turn with a brush, toe strut, jazz box quarter turn with a cross. Right here, you will restart the dance. That will become wall 3. You will dance wall 3 all the way through till you get to the back wall. That will become wall 4. At the end of wall 4, you're going to add on your first tag. The first tag is nice and easy. It's just the first 8 counts without the quarter turn and the brush. So you will be here. You will dance the first 8 counts without the quarter turn. So you're going to Lindy, Lindy, rock back, recover, side, behind, side, touch. And then you're going to start wall 5. You will dance wall 5 all the way through. When you get to the front wall, you are going to do that same 16 count restart with your jazz box quarter turn, returning you back to 12 o'clock. You will dance wall 7, wall 8, wall 9, then wall 10 is the next wall that has anything on it. You will start wall 10, you will dance the first 16 counts, which is up to your jazz box quarter turn, and you're going to add on a 4 count tag, stepping right, touch left, step left, touch right, and then you will start the dance all over again and dance the whole way through. So now let's go around. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, we're going to do counts. We're going to dance through every restart and tag and the wall that follows it so that you can practice all of the transitions. Weight is on your left foot. We're starting with our Lindy. We're chasse, rock back, recover, grapevine quarter, turn with a brush, toe strut, jazz box quarter, turn with a cross, side, behind, ball cross, side rock forward, and coaster, step, rocking chair, jazz box quarter, turn with a cross. Now we're dancing 16 counts, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, restart. This is wall 3, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 32 counts, and then your tag. Lindy, rock back, recover, grapevine quarter, turn with a brush, toe strut, jazz box quarter, turn with a cross, side, behind, ball cross, side rock forward and coaster step, rocking chair, and jazz box quarter, turn. Now your 8 count tag, Lindy, Lindy, rock back, recover, grapevine with a touch, start over, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 16 counts, and then restart. Lindy, rock back, recover, grapevine quarter, turn with a brush, toe strut, jazz box quarter, turn with a cross, restart. This is wall 7. Lindy, rock back, recover, grapevine quarter, turn with a brush, toe strut, jazz box quarter, turn with a cross, side, behind, ball cross, side rock forward, and coaster step, rocking chair, jazz box turn, wall 8, Lindy, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Lindy, rock back, recover, grapevine quarter, turn with a brush, toe strut, jazz box quarter, turn with a cross, side, behind, ball cross, side rock forward and coaster step, rocking chair, and jazz box turn. Now we're going to do 16 counts and add on our tag 2, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, add your tag, step, touch, restart, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now that you've practiced with the tutorial, you can go to the end of the video by using the timestamp in the video description to go to the rear facing demo so that you can practice and rock this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn Trust Fund Honey. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.